Hi everyone, welcome to Optimized Physics Scatterer Pro. This tool helps you quickly scatter objects using physics simulation and automatically optimize your final scene by removing unnecessary rigid body and collider components. To get started, simply go to your top menu, click on Tools and open Physics Scatterer Pro. Now, add the objects you want to scatter, such as boxes, wood, rocks, or any prefab. Each object can be configured individually. Adjust the minimum and maximum scale to add natural size variation to your objects. Set the drop height to control how high the objects will fall during the physics simulation. Easily make final adjustments with the push brush to get the perfect result. Each object batch has its own optimization settings. You can remove only the rigid body, remove both the rigid body and collider, or keep them, depending on your project needs.